Self-love is a journey of acceptance, compassion, and care, and it is important to understand the following misconceptions to cultivate a healthy relationship with ourselves and gain clarity on what self-love truly means. Let's explore these misconceptions together. Self-love is selfish. Contrary to popular belief, self-love is not selfish. It is not about prioritizing ourselves at the expense of others. Self-love is about recognizing our own worth and taking care of our well-being, which in turn allows us to show up more fully for others. Self-love means constant positivity. Self-love does not require us to be constantly positive or happy. It is not about suppressing negative emotions or putting on a facade. Self-love involves accepting and embracing the full range of our emotions, both positive and negative, and treating ourselves with kindness and compassion through it all. Self-love is dependent on external validation. Self-love is not contingent on external validation or approval from others. It is not about seeking constant praise or recognition. True self-love comes from within and is rooted in a deep sense of self-acceptance, self-respect, and self-worth, independent of external opinions or accomplishments. Self-love means putting ourselves above others. Self-love is not about prioritizing ourselves above everyone else or neglecting our responsibilities and relationships. It is about finding a healthy balance between self-care and caring for others. Self-love enables us to set boundaries, practice self-care, and nurture our relationships with empathy and compassion. Self-love is a destination to reach. Self-love is not a destination or a final state to be achieved. It is an ongoing journey, a lifelong practice. It requires consistent effort, self-reflection, and self-compassion. Self-love is about embracing growth, learning from our mistakes, and evolving into the best version of ourselves. In conclusion, understanding these misconceptions is crucial for developing a healthy and authentic relationship with ourselves. Self-love is not selfish. It encompasses both positive and negative emotions. It comes from within, it promotes healthy relationships, and it is a lifelong journey. Let us embrace self-love with clarity and compassion, knowing that we are worthy of love and care.